Hello there. A while back I made a video called Simple Tire Lift for Changing Out Your Tires. It's number 12 in our list of videos. It's simple, easy to make, costs almost nothing, and works very well. A commenter suggested I put wheels on the bottom where the fulcrum is located. It would help me slide the tire into place. And sure enough, it really helps. If he or she sees this video, thank you for a great idea. You can see how easy it is to set the wheel in place, and my back is not involved. Now we're going to have a look back at the first video for a moment. Another commenter, an 84-year-old retired mechanic, very kindly and gently suggested that starting the lug nuts with a power tool might not be the best idea. It could cause a costly cross-thread situation. I don't know what I was thinking. I should have known better. Thank you for pointing that out to me. And now, back to our present video. Now I tighten everything up with a lug wrench, check the air pressure, and we're all done. If this video can help someone, that would be great. Thanks for watching, and take care.